Uber is trying to work with automakers to make a customizable EV for both delivery and also for rideshare.
Yeah.
So that's pretty interesting within itself.
Now they're in the car business. You know how Travis, when he was around, he was talking about his flying cars and autonomous vehicles. We're 10 years later, we're nowhere on that one. This is, I think, this is more of a grab of attention, to be honest with you. So now they're in the auto manufacturing. You know, they're gonna. I mean, this. I've read some of the details. I don't know what to believe. I don't believe anything these people say anyway. So it could even be a 3-wheel drive, electric vehicle for deliveries. The passenger cars will be, cars that have lower speed limits, so they'll be safer. And also the passengers could be facing each other, all this bells and whistles. There's not more like, more BS really. So, Dara was in Davos, right, with all the billionaires over there. So he had to say something. And because, we know, I mean, they have big goals, right? Both Uber and Lyft, they have electrification models in their systems now that by 2030, all cars should be electric on the platforms. Not happening. Not going to happen. So we coughed at the same time. So they're trying to sell this idea now. We're just going to have work with automakers, as if automakers don't have enough trouble selling electric vehicles for 20 grand over Priuses. Now they're going. Uber is in the auto business, auto manufacturing business. I'm like, okay.
All right. So, side note, when I was going to look at cars, I went to go to Toyota, to Jeep, to oh my God, Kia and Honda, and I asked each one of them. I said, "So I got to ask, how's the EV versus gas powered?" And they're like every single one of them said, most people are going gas. There's for our area where we are in Buffalo and the cold and all that, it doesn't really make that much sense. But the question is, why is there such a push so quickly when the infrastructure cannot handle it? But you know what? That's a topic for another show. In any event, though, it'll be interesting to see what they have.
There is a sinister underlying issue here, because I'm always thinking, playing chess with these guys as opposed to checkers. Why do they want this special vehicle? So they can tell the driver, well, here, you drive this thing that we're going to provide you. You're going to buy from us, and then we'll automatically take it out of your weekly earnings. And, they want to just have all these things that you have to be my bitch for the rest of your life, basically, because I'm going to put you in an affordable EV. I'm like, no.
Think about it. Here's actually, they want to make it affordable, right? Watch, it'll be like a $75,000 vehicle. And then they're going to say, well, we will knock off 30 grand of this car, but you have to give 60 rides a week, every week for the next, I don't know how many years it might be, or some crazy ass stipulation where, you know what, I'm going to stick with my Honda Pilot that can seat 7 besides myself. And I'm okay, even though I'm only taking 6 when it comes to XL, because, well, it says up to 6. So we're going to be talking about that for a future video. So stay tuned on that.
That's right. We're going swimming cash in Buffalo pretty soon.
Well, either way, I mean, I want to see some of these cars, because, some of these concept cars that they're coming out with are dog shit. They're just, they look like crap. They do not look safe in any way. I don't know if they're ever going to come to fruition or not, or if it's just a concept or what it is, but no, not in my opinion.
Yep. No, I this was just puff news that he had to put out, because he had to put something in there, in Davos with all the billionaires. I go like, hey, this is what we're going to do. This literally remind me. The second I read it, Chris, hello?
Yeah.
Oh, this totally reminded me of Travis's autonomous vehicle bullshit that he raised to raise more billions from the Saudis and all these, VC funds to get Uber going, because they were about to run out of cash. He came up with this song and a dance. It goes, oh, we're going to replace all drivers anyway. We're going to, 10 years later, we're all still here, and there's more drivers than ever. So this is the same shit.
All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself.
Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.